Good evening, YouTube. This is Come and Take It. And as you can see, I put the set screw in here, in this strap. I put another set screw in this strap, like I said I was going to do. I drilled a hole so that this now fits through the top of the door. As you can see, it'll prevent it from opening. There's a screw there. And watch how well the door opens and closes now. Look. Bing! Bing! Okay. I'm happy because my plan worked. As they said on the A-Team, he loves when a good plan comes to work. There we go. So, I think I made this door a little bit too big on one side. On this side right here, the pole is a little too long, and that's why I can't close it all the way. The other thing I think is that as I tightened down the hardware cloth with these zip ties, I pulled it really as hard as I could. I put as much effort in as I could, and it warped it. So now the door no longer fits perfectly like it did before. But this is just a chicken coop. I mean, a chicken tractor, so it doesn't have to be perfect. But it is very good. This is a very good design. Thankful to my meditations in Thai. I'm Thai meditating. And do the same thing on the other door. Okay, pause.
Go.
What can I do? Drill a hole. And do the same thing on the other side. Right there. Okay, now put it on pause. I'll get 2 screws.
Go.
These are 1/4 inch by 6 threaded screws, and that's all I'm putting in. I'm not tightening it all the way because a 1/4 inch screw is much thicker. I mean, it's much longer than the thickness of this collar here. So I'm not going to put it in all the way. I'm only going to fasten it a little bit. Now this is the hard part here, because I don't have any real leverage. There we go. Okay. Last screw, guys. Last one. That's good. Not all the way down. Why didn't I tighten it all the way? Again, the thickness of this collar is half as thick, or is half as far, half as long as the length of this screw. If I were to screw the screw all the way in, it will end up going in through the secondary tube, and then I won't be able to open the door again. So, now let's check it out. We got to take out the screws. Here. Uh-oh. A little tight. There we go. I'm going to replace these with dowels. But for now, look at this. Everything works just as I thought it would work. Not perfectly, mind you, but very, very well. Folks, I'm not this old house, so I'm not perfect. I'm just the average guy. Did anyone hire this old house to come and help me? No. Oh, here it is. So guess what? I'm not this old house. This old house does a perfect job. I'm just a guy. Here we go. I'm protected against predators and creditors. And all I gotta do now is just tighten this in this fashion, like this. Kind of like a cat eye in a boat. There we go. Now it is predator proof. Okay. Tomorrow, like I said, when it's getting light out again, I'm going to put the vinyl on the top to protect the tarp. And then I'm going to be done. I'd like to know what you think in your comments. Write a comment. Please tell me if I did the crappiest job in the world and why didn't I try this and why didn't I try that and how stupid could I be? Or maybe you'll be nice and say, you know, come and take it. You did a fantastic job for someone who's never done this before and doesn't have the measuring skills that a carpenter would have. And the only thing I'm working on is a plan that's on paper and a plan that's in my mind. So maybe you'll say that too. Maybe you'll be nice and go, hey, that's great. I'd have you come and work for me. I'd have you come and build me a chicken tractor. Anyway, thank you very much. Hit like, share this to your friends, and subscribe. Thank you very much.